We're doing the Forest Lake Toy Show. We're doing the December 11th, 2022. There's more coming on 2023. Nice little show, as you can see out here. There's lots of toys, vendors all the way down there to the wall. Mostly toy cars, but the toys and collectibles. So, and here's our little booth. So we have a $5 bucket, and look at all these nice vintage trucks we have here. Some Evel Knievel stuff, Red Fink. Star Wars playset, Jurassic Park. Some trucks. And then we got a couple of $1 bins. So yeah, we're here to around 1 or 2 p.m. today.